Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fill up the form IMM 5476 use of a representative form for your Canada visa applications. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, there are like as per government rules, there are certain circumstances when you can have a paid representative. Of course, you can have a family member or friend who can be an unpaid representative, but in order to be eligible to get paid for providing these services, somebody needs qualification and registration. Okay, so I don't have to go to that. Rather, I'll fill a rather I'll stay with how to fill this form. So this form is not required in all the cases. If you have gone through the wizard, like Come to Canada wizard or even IRCC portal, uh, only when you appoint a representative, you need this form. Now, the same form can be used to remove a representative too. There could be multiple reasons for it. I don't have to go to the reason. So how to use it? So let's say you're appointing someone. So what you will do, you'll put appoint. Okay. Now it tells you section A, B, and D. So section A and D, these two are applicable in both the scenarios. If you're canceling someone, of course, both appointing and canceling someone, then it could be A, C, and D. So uh, that's how it goes. All right. So we'll go your full name, family name, your surname first, your given name, date of birth. Okay. If you have already submitted your application, then name of the office where this application was submitted, type of application, permanent residence, extension study visa. That's very simple. Unique client identifiers. If you have already submitted, and even if you have got AOR, acknowledgement of receipt, definitely you have your UCI, and it's very good to note it down. But even if you don't have, they will find it out anyway. Okay. So I would tell you definitely put this appointment of representative. Okay, following individual. Your representative full name. Okay. Family names, given name. That's okay. Now, as I said, it could be a compensated means paid, or could be an uncompensated. It's not paid. Uncompensated could be a family or friend. Okay, and even a member of College of Immigration Citizenship consultant. But how, why would somebody become like will not charge you money? I can't understand. So others, okay, that you can say, or is or will be compensated. It's a good standing with this that the law society on this Quebec. Okay, now their contact information. It's pretty simple. I don't have to do. Now this is gonna be the signature of representative. So your representative needs to sign this also. It's not just me. Now if you're canceling, similar in canceling, like you need to provide their name, their organization, and your declaration, your signature of applicant that you are canceling someone, and a spouse or common law partner if it's a sponsorship application, then both. Okay. D is definitely important, and in C you have so like A and D always you're gonna do B and C based on scenario. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.